Well, hello YouTube. The plan is to fix some broken spokes and maybe adjust my brakes right now. I got three broken spokes I gotta fix. Yay. All on the brake side again. Sure you can see what I'm doing. Shoot. I just ate pizza. I had ate a whole freaking DiGiorno pizza like a freaking moron. I don't know why I ate the whole pizza, but whatever. It didn't taste like anything. I had like a DiGiorno ham and pineapple. Yeah, I'm one of those blasphemous people that puts pineapple on pizza and enjoys it. Or eats it pre-made with pineapple. But, I even dipped it in ranch and it just didn't taste like anything. It was like the blandest shit I've had in a while. Minus the pizza I had yesterday. I had another great value chicken bacon ranch stuffed crust pizza yesterday, and it was creamy. It had a lot of what was supposed to be ranch on it, but it didn't taste like anything. Like 2 pizza fails in 2 days. That's great. So yeah, that's the plan. Talk about pizza and fix my bike, I guess. Oh, gotta find my spoke wrench. I was gonna find all my tools first before I turned the camera on, but when my chest started bugging me and I needed a talking distraction to focus on something else, and it seems to be working. I gotta buy what I need to buy is like a compartmentalized or something tool bag that has different areas in it, so I can store different stuff in it. Because like I'm getting tired of trying to find my freaking spoke wrench and stuff every time I need to. It's just a nightmare digging through this bag. Shit. And I can't find it now. Oh man, where did it go? I know I put it back in here. There it is. Just found it. Man, I'll put all these other tools back. I need to leave the tire poles out because I'm going to have to move the tire out of the way to get the spokes in. I'll put this other stuff away though. Yeah. I think I tried to go for a ride yesterday, and oh yeah, I was going to go yesterday, but then I came out and I had broken spokes, so I had to put the bike up and just not screw with it. I didn't feel like fixing them yesterday, so yeah. Oh, I do need the flathead screwdriver. I forgot. Shoot. I put all this other stuff back in here now. Dang it. Where'd it go? I just saw it. There it is. Okay. Gotta get to taking these spokes out of this wheel. Alright, I'm just gonna go to the non. Look at that. Oh, great, I got this stupid reflector in the way now. Shit, is that riveted in there? Of course it is. Why would it be screwed in there? Damn it. He's right in the fucking way too, man. Here, let me tilt you down a little bit. I gotta get these old spokes off of this rim to use on this other wheel. But I got this damn reflector in the way that, oh, there it goes. Easy. Never mind, that was easy. Okay. Thinking I might take this wheel into my room with me. when I get done and de-spoke it the rest of the way. So I just have spokes at the ready when I need to fix my damn bike wheel. I know I could be doing this with the spoke wrench, but then I'd have to put the wheel up on my lap or something, and it's just going to bruise my leg. The rim bruise my leg. This might end up just being a spoke replacement video. I don't think I'm going to be doing the brakes today. I don't know. Still don't feel particularly awesome lately. Shoot. These fucking spokes are all up in the rim, man. You can't even get them out. There we go, there's one. Got one loose. Another one. That's what you call a shitty wheel build, when your spokes are sticking up in the damn eyelet when they're not supposed to be that high up in the rim. Shit. Of course it bent the wrong goddamn way. There you go, there's that one. I can't even get a spoke that I took the nipple off of out of the rim. That's fucking awesome. And this one's not really coming loose. There it goes, it finally popped loose. Use this. Put you over there. Now I gotta let the air out of my tire. That's right, I got freaking flat out in this thing, so hopefully it doesn't come shooting out. Yeah. A little bit came out. Back to normal view, kind of. More air than that out of here, with the flat outs blocking up the freaking valve now. Shit. Oh, that's not good. Uh-oh. The flat out is blocking the valve. I can't get any more air out. There's a little bit more coming out. Let me see if I can get these spokes in here without too much of a struggle. shit. Damn it. It's not going to be easy. I need more air out of this damn tire. I can't get any more air out of it though. Shit. Fuck. And the shit just got more complicated. Okay, I still can't squeeze air out of this thing. Oh, fuck, the flat out is just dripping out of there. Shit. That's like completely blocking the damn valve. Guess I put too much in there. Son of a bitch, this is gonna be a problem. I guess the makers of Flat Out didn't have broken spokes in mind when they made their product, because, yeah, I can't actually get the damn... Shit. This is a problem. Shit just got rizzled. Fuck, I can't replace these spokes now. You know what? I think I'm done with this fucking bike. I'm done with my channel for a while because I can't keep fixing this fucking thing. And now I can't fix it because I can't actually get the air out of the tube because the flat out's blocking up the fucking valve hole. That's great. Yeah, I can't fix my bike. This sucks. I cannot fix my fucking bike. I cannot fix my fucking bike. So, well, with that, remember to have a wonderful whatever, wherever you are. I guess I'm done with e-bikes for however freaking long now because I can't even fix my bike to ride it anymore. So I'm done. My channel's done for a while. I got no money to buy a new bike. I got a bunch of spare parts I don't know how to offload. Honestly, anybody want to buy an e-bike for about $1,500? You just need to replace some spokes. I got plenty of spare wheels and motors and shit. I need a new bike. I can't keep doing this. Alright. I'm going to keep the camera on while I vent some more while I put my bike away because I can't fucking fix my bike. Guess I'll just jam this fucking valve back in here because this is fucking ruined now. My tube's fucking ruined. My tube's ruined. I guess there's no point in putting this valve back in here because the tube's fucking ruined. Shit. Awesome. This is great. I guess I'll put the cap back on it so no more of this damn flat out shit leaks anywhere, but yeah, I can't fix my bike. I'm not even gonna be able to get the fucking tire off of this fucking rim now. Fuck. I'm pissed off. Can you fucking tell? Because I can't get the tube out. Because I can't get the fucking air out because the goddamn flat out's blocking up the goddamn hole. So, note to e-bike users and riders and bike riders, if you have to actually fix spokes in your wheel, you need to actually get air out of your tube. Don't buy Flat Out, apparently, because it fucks it up. I guess all these people that go on and on about how amazing Flat Out is haven't actually had to fix a spoke yet. So, yeah, don't buy Flat Out. Fuck Flat Out. If you have to fix spokes, it don't fucking work. This is fucking great. I got 2 new spare tubes, but that doesn't do me any good because I can't get the fucking tire and tube off the rim. That's fucking great. That's fucking great. So yeah, awesome. I'm done. I'm done with the e-bikes for a while. I give up. I can't keep doing this shit. I'm fucking done. I'm fucking done. This is great. I'll go put this thing back in the garage, plug it the fuck in, and forget about it for a few years, I guess. I don't fucking know. I'm done. I'm not doing this anymore. I can't do this shit anymore. I can't fucking do this shit anymore. The tubes are falling out of the fucking bike. I don't know what the fuck to do. Can't get the fucking air out of my goddamn tube. I'm done. Sorry guys, I'm done. I'm not doing this anymore. I'm not done. Fucking done. No more e-bikes for Larry. I'm not even gonna plug it in. There's no fucking point. Can't ride my fucking bike anymore. This is fucking awesome. I'm fucking done. I'm fucking done. So much for that plan. Fuck. Oh, sucks. Maybe I'll just make a reaction YouTube channel and react to other people's content or something like all these other fucking people online. Oh well. Sorry, but I cannot deal with this shit anymore. I can't do it. Bye.